Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to build a taxi booking website from scratch using WordPress. Whether you are a business owner or a developer, this guide will help you create a fully functional taxi looking system for your site. We will cover everything from setting up WordPress to customizing your taxi booking features. So grab a coffee and let's dive right in. First things first, we need to install WordPress. If you don't have hosting yet, I recommend using a reliable hosting provider like Bluehost, SiteGround, or HostGator. Once you have your hosting and domain ready, follow these steps. Log into your hosting account and open the cPanel. Find the one-click install option for WordPress and click on it. Follow the prompts to install WordPress on your domain. Once WordPress is installed, you will be able to access your website's dashboard by going to your domain.com/wp admin. Now that WordPress is set up, let's choose a theme that suits a taxi booking website. How, how to install it? You can either go for a premium theme or use a free one. For this tutorial, we'll use a free responsive theme called Taxi. Go to Appearance, then Themes. Click on Add New or search for Taxi and hit Enter. Then click on it. Once installed, click Activate. Now your site should have a clean and professional looking theme perfect for your taxi service. To add the functionality we need for a taxi booking website, we'll install a few plugins. Let's start with WP forms for creating contact forms and WooCommerce for payment systems. Here's how to install them. In your WordPress dashboard, select plugins, then add new or search for WP form and click enter. Click on it and install now. Once installed, click activate. Next, search for WooCommerce and repeat the same process. WooCommerce will allow you to accept bookings and payments, and WP Forms will handle customer inquiries and feedback. Let's create a simple taxi booking forms using WP Forms. Go to your dashboard and click on WP forms, then add new, choose the simple contact form template and click on create new form. Add fields like name, phone number, pickup location, drop off location, date and time, and a message box. Customize the form to suit your business needs. You can add more fields later if necessary. Once done, click save and then click embed to add it to your website. This form will be visible on your homepage or booking page, allowing customers to quickly place booking. Now let's set up WooCommerce to accept payments for your taxi bookings. Go to WooCommerce, then settings. Under the General tab, enable the shipping and tax options according to your location. Next, under the Payments tab, enable options like PayPal, Stripe, or other payment gateways. Customize the payment settings and add your payment credentials. This will allow your customers to book their rides and pay securely online. Let's create the page where customers can book their rides. Go to Pages, add new, and title it Book a Taxi. In the page editor, use the W forms block to add your taxi booking forms. Below the form, you can add a brief description of your services, pricing, or any special offers. Once everything looks good, click Publish. And that's it. You have successfully created a taxi booking website using WordPress. I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.